I love working with other writers. It's such an honor to be invited into someone's story, to share something so intimate and vulnerable as the creative journey. And I love to read and to learn and connect with others. So teaching gives me that opportunity. So mostly I'm grateful. I think I've always been grateful, but my focus has sort of shifted over the years. When I first started teaching, my focus was on the writing, the words on the page. How could I help make the writing the best it could be in service to the writing? It felt it was really important to deliver some earth-shattering formula or inspiration. I wanted to wow students with my knowledge and experience. I still want my time with students to feel worthwhile, of course, but what I've learned is that teaching is not really about the writing, it's about the writer. My job is to create a safe space for a writer to grow, to help a writer come up with ideas, not to give my ideas to the writer. My job is to encourage, not to fix a piece of writing. Interestingly, I was talking with my friend Joe Lee, who is the music director of several orchestras, including one for amateur adults that I play in each year at the University of Alabama. He said the same thing. Early in his career, he felt it was his job to honor the music and help the music be performed the way it was intended to be performed. But that has changed for him as well. Now we both center the human behind the instrument. What does that look like in the writing space? Maybe I offer guidance or new ideas or share my own experiences. That's all really important, but mostly I listen. I remember that to teach writing is to be a witness. Mostly these days, I listen more and talk less. I make suggestions, point out places I'm confused, poke holes, but I'm not there to wow you. I'm there for you to wow yourself. And I ask questions. What were you going for here? How do you want the reader to feel in this moment? What are you trying to communicate? Instead of prescriptions or surgeries, as Emily Dickinson would say, I feel my role is to offer alternate routes, maybe drop some breadcrumbs. Try this, I say. Consider that. I love it when a writer has a breakthrough. This writing thing is a lifelong process. There will always be something new to learn. And sometimes I feel like I have to learn certain things again and again. Maybe you feel that way too. If you'd like to learn with me, I teach every year with Charles Waters and other esteemed faculty at Boyd's Mills, the conference center formerly known as Highlights. And I also teach online workshops through Inked Voices. And this year, Charles and I will be teaching in Chicago at the Poetry Foundation Summer Poetry Institute. I'll leave links for all below. Thank you so much for listening, and I wish you all the best in your writing.